Hey guys, it's Kamrin and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a hair tutorial on this jumbo braid right here. If you guys have not seen Lissetti's video, I got inspiration from her. I absolutely love this. It took me about 5 minutes to do, so it's a very quick hairstyle. I find it to be much easier than even doing a bun. And the hair only cost me $1.49. It was actually 84 inches, so if you wanted to be super long, you could have it super long. I just wanted to cut it about normal length. But I think this hairstyle is perfect if you're wanting to spice things up, do something a little different. I think it's so cute. So we're going to get started. Make sure to subscribe. I upload videos every single Sunday. And make sure to hit that bell button, which will notify you every single time I upload. And to give this video a thumbs up, follow all my social media. It will be at the end of this video as well as in the description box below. So in order to not waste too much time, we're going to get started.
Alright, so to start out, I'm going to be using a water bottle and just saturating my hair and putting a hair mask in, which makes it easier for the brush that I'm using to glide through. Then I'm taking my Eco Styler gel and I'm applying this. This is just going to make sure that everything stays slicked back and smooth. And then I'm brushing that through one more time. And then I'm taking this more bristled brush. I'm not sure how to describe it, but I'm using that to basically smooth and bring my hair up into a high bun. Then I'm taking an elastic band and I'm putting it into a bun. Following that, I'm going to take a little small rubber band and wrap the remainder of the hair around itself and place the rubber band around it twice just to tighten it up and keep the small bun basically in place. After that, I'm going to take the braiding hair. It is 84 inches, so it's a lot of hair. So I'm going to cut off the strap. Use a brown hair tie because my hair is blonde, so I don't want it to show as much as a black hair tie would. And I'm going to wrap it on the side that I don't want the braid on. So you're going to put it on the opposite side so that when you flip it over, it's on the correct side. And now I'm cutting the hair because it was obviously just like way too much hair. I cut it about boob length and then I started braiding the hair. Once I was finished braiding, I took another elastic band and placed it right at the bottom of the braid just to keep it together. And I started loosening up the braid since this is supposed to be a jumbo braid. And after that, I'm just taking the top half of the braid and basically covering the bun that I have and the hair tie, and I'm taking bobby pins and trying to place it where you can't see the bun or the hair tie. Following that, you do have the option of doing your edges, which you're going to see me do real quick here. It's optional, you don't have to. I just thought it made it look better. But once you've finished with that, you are basically all done.
Alright you guys, that's about it for this video. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe. I upload videos every single Sunday. And to follow all of my social media, it will be at the end of this video as well as in the description box. And make sure to give this video a thumbs up. You guys can leave me any suggestions, any more hair tutorials you're interested in seeing. Actually, these are really fun to make. I will do my best to see what I can make happen. We're almost at 600 subscribers, so I'm so happy. I'm so excited for that. I really want to get to 1,000 pretty soon, but we're taking baby steps. So yeah, make sure you guys subscribe so that we can reach that goal, because there's so many of you that watch my videos and you don't subscribe, and I want us to be a family, you know? That's it for this week's video. I'll see you guys next Sunday. Thanks so much for watching.
Let's creep while you and me repeat. This bittersweet heat is suffocating.